back to the channel and thank you so much for joining me for another unboxing. I haven't done one for a while. How you doing, guys? You okay? Are you having a good weekend? And more important, are you having some great shaves? I hope so. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. You're amongst good friends. Right, unboxing. Excited. Aren't we all? Right, Shaverage. We're having a Shaverage, and today's Shaverage is going to be the good old Sheppies Vintage Reserve Cider. Absolutely love this stuff at the weekend, guys, and it's 7.4%. So we'll crack that open and pour ourselves a drink. What are you drinking, guys? And don't worry, it's not first thing in the morning. I'm recording this Saturday night because these came this afternoon. I've had a long week. I've been working 6 day weeks for 2 weeks now. I'm working 6 days next week as well. Short staffed. Cheers, guys. All the best. The real sharpness of the apple. It's like a young apple. Oh, it's so refreshing. It's got to be nice with ice in the summer. Right, I've got Draper to help me, and we'll open this one first. Very well wrapped. Well protected with the bubble wrap. Right. It's hard to see how you get into it with clear tape. I think I've got it. So if you have anything new lately in the post for the den, I hope so. God, this is well wrapped. Are we there? It's like Fort Knox. We're there. Right, what we got? We have a Soap and Splash Return to Me, which is the Tertius. Absolutely excellent scent by Ariane Evans. It's a beautiful scent. The only problem that's so well wrapped like this is that you can damage the packaging when you're trying to cut into it. So it's always best not to wrap them too well. Like this. Oh, I can't even get into it. I thought there was blades in there then. I thought there was supposed to be some blades in there. One of my latest purchases. Talk amongst yourselves. God, I can't even get into this. Jesus. Right, I think I've got a start on it. Either that or the blade's going blunt. Or the unboxings. Good job the wife doesn't watch these. We'll get there in a minute, guys. It's a little bit too well wrapped. Not good for videos. We're there. Hawk V3, guys. With the short grip handle. Razorrock V3. I am now a proud owner of. Absolutely beautiful single edge artisan blade razor. I've used it before as it was on loan from Jay Fett, and I loved it that much he offered to part with it, and I jumped at the chance. It's an absolutely great single edge razor. So that'll be the next shave. Absolutely stunning. Next purchase was, I used toilet rolls as well, Jay, for transportation. This I am really excited about. This is a one-off, custom made. There's not another brush like it. I've got to be really careful. I don't want to damage the handle because it's too well wrapped. It's a one-off commission, custom made brush, and there it is, guys. Isn't that absolutely stunning? It's a Grizzly Bay brush, and the coin has been changed to copper to match the flake in the handle. It's like an emerald green. It's a 26mm tuxedo knot. Although it feels Mancurian, it could be a Mancurian knot, but that is absolutely stunning. Beautiful brush. Looking forward to that. Nice bit of backbone in that as well. That's quite a bit of backbone. Could be seated quite deep. So yeah, so there's the first two. Next one is from Slick Boys. Thanks Thin. Here we go. Let's have another drink. Thanks Finn over at Slick Boys. Right, I am looking forward to this. I've had my eye on this soap for a while, but it's been hard to come by ish. I love these things. I save them up for Halloween, give them to the kids. Invoice, and yes, Scott, I am still keeping the invoices. I've got a file about how thick now. Love the nuggets. I reuse them for sending stuff off, and when I loan stuff out to guys, I use them in the packaging. It's good stuff. So excited for this stuff. I've had my eye, like I said, on this for a while, and I held off because of the shipping at the time, because you could only get it through one way, and I'll explain that now. And it is Ariane Evans, The Club, and it's Chasing the Dragon. Now, The Club, they have limited editions, and they've just come into the UK now, and this is in the Kaizen 2 base. I've never tried the Kaizen 2 base, but I've heard a lot about it. The label, the artwork is absolutely stunning. I'd buy the soaps just for the labels, guys. This is it shares the same DNA as Khalifa, but it's more refined. It's a bit more mellow. Oh, that is stunning. And there's the pour, guys. I'm not going to mention what I get. It's quite a comforting, warm scent. It really is mellow, but it's not as much of a powerhouse as Khalifa. I want to try Khalifa. I love really strong and Oh, a bit of scent with a bit of oomph. But yeah, so looking forward to that. And it's pretty obvious this is the matching splash. But I'm interested because a lot of the splashes, you get the same profile, but you get this different scent strengths of the splashes, and it's all the same. But one thing I love about Ariana Evans soaps is the post shave feel and the skin food that's in the splash. The feeling you get on the skin is unbelievable. Ooh, that smells a little bit more interesting. Yeah, it's there. It's exactly the same, but there's something else about the splash. Guess what the next shave's gonna be? You've just seen it. It's a bit of a spoiler, but there you go. Next shave will be Arian Evans The Club, Chasing the Dragon, with my Grizzly Bay brush, with the copper leaf and the copper coin, with the Hawk V3. I've got a Pro Blade, I think. Yeah, I have. I've still got a Pro Blade to using it for the second use. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. All the best, guys. I will see you lot in the next shave. If you're new to the channel and you're still here and you've just tuned in or whatever, hit that subscribe button. Help me grow the channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a fantastic Sunday and have a great week next week if I don't see you. And if I do see you, I'll see you then. Alright, guys. Stay smooth and stay safe. Bye for now. Bye now.